Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speaker on POCO X5 Pro. And to do this, first we'll need to locate all of the speakers on this device. So first one is right here, that's on the top of your phone. Then there's a phone call speaker right here. And at the bottom we can also find the speaker. So this is probably already confirmed, but let's check it anyway. We need to play some music, cover each of the speakers with our fingers. If the sound is coming from both of the sources, that's a stereo speaker. If not, that's a mono speaker. Let's try it out. Clearly, sound is coming from this speaker as well as this one, and that confirms it. This device does have the stereo speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.